Hello everyone, my name is Joseph from Neo Builders and I'm standing right behind our brand new junior ADU. Now, this is a garage conversion in Culver City. This is 440 square feet studio JADU with a full kitchen and a full bathroom with an entrance to the main house. I cannot wait to show you this project. Come on, follow me. First thing you'll see is a beautiful door. We bought this door from Contractor Warehouse in North Hollywood, and we stained it to the color choice of the homeowner. Next thing you'll see is our huge windows. Remember, it's very important. We don't have a lot of windows in this unit, so make sure your south-facing windows are big. We have a 12 linear foot kitchen from wall to wall. No L-shaped, no kickers. We have our cabinets going all the way to our ceiling and custom kitchen cabinets. We also have our quartz countertops, and I wanna run down the whole entire kitchen with you. So the first thing that you're gonna see is soft close storage, mostly for spices and some racks right here, but definitely a good space for about 10 inches. We have our 30-inch oven and cooktop. We also have a microwave hood that hoods right outside. And this is really important. I told the homeowner to do a 24-inch microwave hood and a 24-inch oven, but she says that her mom really loves to cook and to bake, so we ended up going with a bigger space. The next thing that you're gonna see is a bunch of cabinets, right? So we have soft close cabinets, we have plenty of space. There's a ton of cubic feet in here. We ended up deciding to do white, but we hand painted all of these cabinets. So we did something called a cool white, a little bit of a hint of blue and gray in here. BCS countertops, quartz countertops, prefabricated from North Hollywood, call them, they have the best deals. And right here we didn't decide to do uppers. We ended up getting a window installed right here, a 4-foot window by 1 foot. And we ended up just deciding to do some open shelving right here. We have our sink right here. Sink is 18 inches with a nice little drying rack, and we have a dishwasher. I didn't want to do a dishwasher here. I think the space is too small for a dishwasher, but the owner decided to do a dishwasher. Their parents wanted to do a dishwasher, and anything that the homeowner wants, we love to give. The next thing that we want to see right here is our fridge, 30 inches. Homeowner wanted 36 inches, but I told him no way, we're doing 30 inches. And plenty of storage space right on top. I think this kitchen came out really nice. Let me know if you guys think that we should have done anything different in the kitchen. What do you love in the kitchen and what do you hate in the kitchen? Our bathroom is 7.5 by 6, giving us plenty of space to be wheelchair accessible. Now, first thing you're gonna see is a smaller vanity. Our vanity is 24 inches. We didn't want so much vanity space because we have plenty of storage space on the outside. Our toilet, we have a 30-inch area for our toilet, giving us plenty of accessibility. We also have our shower. Our shower is tile floor to ceiling. One of the biggest things about the bathroom was we always wanted to do a bigger shower. The homeowner and the people that are going to live here both wanted a big shower. We gave them 3 niches, him and her and an extra. Shower system, a handheld, and a regular shower on the head. The shower glass. Everyone in the comments always talks about the shower glass. I know a lot of people don't want to do the shower glass, but again, it only costs $1,500 to $1,800 and it really changes the landscape of the bathroom. You have no splash zone and it makes it very luxurious. So if you're thinking about not doing tile floor to ceiling and not doing shower glass, I urge you to rethink that. Electrical, we have 2 recessed lights and we have our fan, our mechanical fan, and we also have a sconce over our vanity. Both of them are going to be on dimmers and the fan is going to be on an occupancy sensor. So remember, if you're building in California, you're building anywhere else, make sure to talk to your inspector about your electrical. So let's quickly talk about why we decided to do a JADU versus an ADU. Before I talk about that, I want to talk about our sponsor very quickly. Sponsor of this video is ADU Insider, and if you're planning on doing a JADU versus an ADU and you want to know the reason why, call them. They will definitely help you. More about the sponsorship at the end. Now, we decided to do a JADU because of this door. This door leads us to the hallway of our main house. And remember, I keep saying the person who's going to live here is the parents of the owner of the main house. So we wanted to make sure that we don't have fire-rated walls and we have an entrance to the main house. Very, very important. We don't care about rents here. We don't care about owner occupancy. We care about who is going to live here. The closet, we ended up deciding to do a little bit of a custom closet because it's a little bit of a weird shape. But we didn't spend too much money on this thing, right? We bought some shelving from Home Depot. This whole closet cost right around $400 to $500, including the door and including all the shelving. Again, we have some recessed lights up here. We have a dimmer and a switch here, but very basic shelving and very functional in my opinion. I think we did really well with the budget we had on the closet. We ended up putting a TV mount right here and 2 outlets right on top of each other, making the cords seamless if we end up deciding to put a TV right here. Again, our client kind of interior designed this whole place for their parents. I think they did a really good job. Remember, this is 440 square feet. You can design it any way you want. The smaller the unit, the smaller all of the furniture. In this case scenario, we have a king size bed and a huge sofa. We have multiple seating areas. So the bigger the unit, the more furniture you can have. Just quickly talk about our flooring. So we have slab on the bottom. We obviously did a red guard and then we ended up choosing lifetime vinyl. I think the flooring came out really nice. We ended up buying right around 450 square feet of flooring, and that's because our bathroom is right around 50 square feet. So make sure to get some extras. We ended up having to buy extras because of the closet, but make sure that you're buying the right flooring for what you need. So we just checked out the main unit. I want to quickly talk about the exterior. Now, we don't have a lot of windows in this unit, but you have to remember that you have an attached garage. Now, an attached garage, you're always gonna have 2 sides that won't have any windows. Right here, we have our right side and we have our rear side. So we want to make sure we have a big, huge window in the front. Plenty of sun on our south-facing wall. Next thing we want to look at is our AC unit and electrical panel. The AC unit, we had a big issue. Remember, you need to talk to your city about your AC unit. The next thing is the panel. The panel was already existing and the gas meter was already existing. So we got really lucky not having to move the gas meter and electrical meter. Well, everyone, thank you so much for joining us on this Junior ADU walkthrough. Some quick stats. The Junior ADU is 440 square feet. It's a Junior ADU, it's a garage conversion, and it's in Culver City. This project cost the homeowner right around $135,000. And it came out very, very nice. I won't talk about the rent because the homeowner's parents are going to live there. The next thing I want to talk about is our sponsor. Our sponsor today is ADU Insider. They help homeowners and ADU specialists by connecting one another. They focus very much on local contractors, local architects, local interior designers, local ADU specialists. So if you're a homeowner, go make sure to check out ADU Insider for local specialists. If you're an ADU contractor, then definitely go check out ADU Insider. They write a ton of content and help you find good homeowners that are ready to work. Everyone, thank you so much for joining us. I build a ton of ADUs. My name is Joseph from Neo Builders, and I want to build your ADU. So if you need any help, like and subscribe this video, that's first. The second is there's going to be a link down below. If you want to talk to me, Joseph, sign up. I give free 15-minute consultations and I'm happy to talk to you about your ADU project.